If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Samsung Galaxy A57, then in that case we can use the Smart Switch app, which we can find in the Samsung folder in the app drawer, this one over here. It is of course pre-installed on our Samsung Galaxy A57. In the case of your old phone, if your old phone is Samsung, then you can check if you already have the app. If you don't, or if you have any other Android smartphone, or if you have an iPhone, then of course you will have to download the Smart Switch app. So in my case, I'm just gonna open the Play Store. Of course, over here we can easily search for the Smart Switch. There we go. Of course, on iPhone you want to open the App Store, and you should be able to find the Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. And we want to open it. Grant all the necessary permissions, and then we can tap on Let's Go. Now on Galaxy A57, we want to choose that we want to receive on this phone. And of course, in the case you have the option to send or receive on the old phone, naturally you want to choose that you want to send. Now in here, our old device is Galaxy/Android. And now we need to choose how we want to transfer our data. You can use a cable if that's what you want. In my case, I'm gonna choose a wireless option. There we go. So we have a QR code that we need to scan on our old device. There we go. And now let's just wait for the connection to be established between both of these devices. There we go. My old phone has been connected to Galaxy A57. And now let's just wait a couple of more seconds. And then we can choose whatever we want to transfer. So we can transfer everything that is possible. We can also transfer only accounts, calls, contacts, and messages. Or you can tap on custom, and then we can go next. You can also see what cannot be transferred over here by tapping on this text. If you choose custom, then you have this list and you can decide what exactly you want to transfer. In my case, I just want to transfer images, and that is all. Of course, in your case, you probably want to transfer everything. And we can tap on the transfer in here once you select everything that you want to transfer, and then you want to leave your phones on this screen and wait for the transfer to be done. The more data you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take, of course. There we go, we can tap on done here, and also we have the data transfer results here, so we can tap on next. We are all set, so let's tap on done, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.